Today I will show you how to make kefir at home. This is the mushroom that makes the kefir. You soak the milk here overnight or up to 48 hours. Then that can produce the kefir. It's very simple. You just keep on washing the mushroom with the same milk that you used to soak, and then when you get all the creamy milky look, milky like, then that's the kefir. This is how we do it. And then we put the mushroom again in the bottle, empty bottle, and put some milk. Then that can make again another kefir for the next day's consumption. Use the bio milk so it will be sure it's delicious with fats, lots of fats.